I'm Tom Miller, CEO and co-founder of Beyond 700. I want you all to imagine that you're an eye doctor and 25% of your patients have a condition that you can't assess because the thing that you need to assess is invisible. You'd be frustrated, and clinicians are. The thing they need to see is the tear film. This is this complex fluid which covers the surface of the eye and keeps it healthy. If it doesn't work, then people get damage to the surface of the eye. Tear film problems are widespread. They affect about 580 million people. The main conditions are dry eye, contact lens wear, and people who are undergoing treatment for glaucoma. Dry eye problems are also important for people having cataract operations, but I'll tell you more about that later. You'll just have to wait. What I want to talk about now is dry eye. They have symptoms from eye fatigue to visual problems, which means that they can't drive at night, to pain, which prevents them from going to work, to really severe pain, which confines them to home. Clinicians want to help these people, but current diagnostic techniques just don't work. Some are invasive, which means they're changing the thing that they're trying to measure. Others rely on the clinical skills of the clinician, and so they're subjective and inconsistent. At Beyond 700, we have developed, for the very first time, technology which enables clinicians to see the tear film as it spreads over the surface of the eye. This means that they can see if a tear film is unhealthy or if a tear film's normal. Our hardware is right at the cutting edge of infrared technology. It attaches to existing clinical devices. And the clinicians love our software. All they have to do is push a button on that side to record the right eye and a button on this side to record the left eye, and that means that they can concentrate on their patient. In terms of CE branding and regulatory affairs, we're about to submit to Europe at the end of next month and shortly after to Australia. TearView is protected by 2 patents. One has been granted in Australia and is at national phase in Europe and the USA. We are selling TearView for $25,000, and our target market are clinical practices in Australia and the USA and Europe. In fact, I'm absolutely delighted to tell you tonight that we've had our first sale. And what's truly remarkable, this is to the biggest eye practice in Germany, and they've been voted the best eye practice in Germany since 2013. Now, they're going to use our device for patients with cataract. It's really important that they know that the tear film is normal so that when they put in the new intraocular lens, they have the right power. And this has become so important because people are getting multifocals. There are 5,000 other clinics just like that in Germany. And our customer is really happy. They're happy because they are saving time and they have certainty. And I'm really happy because I'm I've been working on the tear film for more than 20 years, and I'm regarded as a world expert, but now I'm making a difference. I'm making this difference because my team members, who are part of this company, have taken an idea from the bench top through production and development to manufacture. We're now ready for sales and marketing. To do this, we need $830,000. This is to manufacture a number of devices to put in the hands of key opinion leaders. This is part of our plan to bring on board major health funds and optometry chains. It will also enable us to finalise FDA in the USA. So if you want to transform eye care and see the invisible, come and talk to us. Thank you very much.